Imagine the universe is a huge school, and in this school, stars are students. Now, there's a special class where most stars belong. It's called the main sequence. Just like in school where most students are in the middle grades, not too young and not too old, main sequence stars are in the middle stage of their lives. Think of the sun. It's like the star student of this class, glowing steadily and doing its best work. These stars, including the sun, are like hard-working factories. Their job is to take simple things, hydrogen gas, and squish it together to make helium gas. This squishing process is called fusion, and it's what makes the stars shine so bright. It's like taking small Lego blocks, hydrogen, and building them into a bigger Lego model, helium, and somehow this process lights up the stars. So, main sequence stars are those stars doing their main work, shining bright by turning hydrogen into helium, just like students learning and growing by doing their schoolwork. They're the most common stars in the universe, making space beautifully lit up at night.